Hey everyone, and welcome to a video that can bring you both knowledge and money. We've recently partnered with the second largest crypto exchange in the world, Bybit, a platform that we personally use every day. Bybit recognized our work and decided to reward you, our community. We secured the following benefits for all our members as well as anyone who sign up using our referral code. An airdrop bonus worth $500 in trading position, a bonus of up to $30,000 depending on your deposit and trading volume, VIP customer support, they respond within the minutes, and a brand new iPhone that one of you will win. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Bybit account and claim these bonuses, how the platform works, how to buy, sell, trade and invest in crypto, how to order a Bybit Visa or MasterCard, which you can use to pay with crypto anywhere in the world. You'll receive a digital card within minutes, and you can also order a physical one which will ship to you within a few weeks. So watch this video until the end and find out everything you need to know. To start and create an account, simply click the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the official Bybit registration page. You can do this form from your desktop or mobile phone. On your phone, just tap Register to Claim, which will prompt you to download the Bybit app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, enter the referral code 125085. A new window will appear asking for your email address. Make sure that the referral code 125085 is still visible in the field. This ensures that you will receive all the bonuses. Then press the sign up button. You'll receive a confirmation code via email. You should enter the code, then create your password and tap the yellow register button. Once your account is created, the first thing I highly recommend is completing KYC, Know Your Customer Verification. This step is essential for unrestricted access to all futures like trading, investing, and sending crypto to and from other exchanges. It's generally easier to complete KYC on your phone, but you can also do it from your computer. Look for the button that says Complete Identity Verification to continue using Bybit services now, or simply Verify Now. A new window will open where you'll select the country that issued your ID or passport. You should accept the terms and conditions and click the yellow button to proceed. Just make sure that you are not opening your account from America, because USA is not allowed to trade on Bybit. If you are from United States, just write in the comments and we'll send you other solutions. When you do that, the next step is that you'll be asked to choose the type of ID you are using. It's usually a passport or national ID card. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Upload or scan your document and complete the face verification using the app's built-in camera feature. And that's it. You'll be ready to trade securely and fully access Bybit futures. If you want to transfer or purchase crypto using your bank card, it's best to start with a stablecoins like USDT or USDC. These coins maintain a fixed value where 1 USDT equals 1 United States dollars. From there, you can easily convert to any other cryptocurrency. To receive crypto, go to Deposit section. A new window will appear with two options: Crypto Deposit and Fiat Deposit. Fiat Deposit is used when you want to buy crypto using your debit or credit card. Just enter the amount in currency and follow the on-screen instructions. The easier option is Crypto Deposit if you're sending crypto from another exchange or wallet or buying from someone directly. You'll need to select the cryptocurrency you're depositing. Again, we recommend USDT, and then choose the correct blockchain network. This is very important. make sure it matches the network from which you are sending the crypto. For example, if you are sending using Tron network, select TRC20, which is one of most affordable networks. You will then receive a deposit address, copy it, and then send the funds from your wallet or exchange to that exact address. Once sent, the crypto will arrive in your Bybit account within seconds. If you want to send crypto to someone else or withdraw crypto to your card, go to Withdrawal section. From the menu, choose Assets, then Withdrawal. You'll have two options again: Fiat if you want to transfer money to your card or bank account, and Crypto if you want to send crypto to someone else. Simply follow the instructions on screen. Choose the coin, enter the recipient wallet address, select the correct network, and confirm the withdrawal. Once we complete the KYC and deposit at least $100, we can claim the bonuses. From the home page, go to the drop-down menu labeled More and then select Reward Hub. As you could see, when we open the Reward Hub, we have a lot of type of bonuses, and you're gonna have a lot of bonuses in the future, so it's also good to always check the bonuses. One of them is bonus up to $20 that you can use for trading fees. You just need to complete KYC, then up to $10 that you're gonna get when you deposit first $100. As I said, the next bonus is up to $20 if you deposit $100 and then trade for just. One also of the great bonuses I want to talk about is bonus of up to $30,000. It is not hard to get. You're getting it directly on your account and you can do whatever you want with it. And here are the instructions. If you deposit $500 and trade $5,000 or more, when this campaign is finished, you're going to get $50 directly on your trading account. And as I said, you can do whatever you want. Many people believe that to achieve 5,000 trading volume is a lot, but in reality, if you trade futures, if you buy one Ethereum and sell one Ethereum, you already made $4,000. Do 2 trades and that is already $8,000 in trading volume if Ethereum is 2,000. As you can see here, more you deposit and more you trade, more money you're getting in your account. And this goes up to $350, $800, then $5,000, everything up to $30,000 that you can get directly to your account. And we actually did this with a few accounts and we picked up all the bonuses that are possible because this is really a good deal. Pay attention, then this is all meant for futures trading. Just another great bonus that I'm going to mention is if you try to use a demo account for one trade, you're also getting $50 of position that you can use for real trading, and all the profits you gain, you can do whatever you want with them. Next thing I'm going to talk about is how to create a card. You go to Finance and Card. Here you can see how their card looks like. If you order a physical card, you need to start the process even for the digital card that you can use right away, and application gonna be finished in a few minutes. With this card, the first thing that is benefiting you is that you can get 10% cash back up to $150 when you purchase different things. Another great thing with this card is that you can pay with different type of cryptocurrency. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, TON, USDT, USDC, and other cryptocurrency to pay for your goods. They have partnerships, so you can have 100% rebates or Netflix, also Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, TradingView, and they're working on more partnerships. It is very simple to create their card. You just need your mobile number, email, and you can put the referral code 125085 for additional benefits and discounts. You will get your card in just a few minutes. Regarding their platform, it is very simple to check your balance. You can go to Assets, Assets Overview, and the new window will appear where you can see your balance. As you could see here, you have funding and unified trading account. If you want to save crypto, if you want to deposit and withdraw, you're going to keep it on funding account. And if you want to trade, if you want to do something with this crypto, like save, you need to put it on unified trading account. You're going to the transfer and you just transfer from funding to unified trading. You can also transfer it back the same way and it doesn't cost anything. As you could see, for purposes of this video, I deposited $100 and just transferred it to unified trading. Once you do this, you can start trading. You can find spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading is when you just want to trade without leverage, and futures trading is when you want to use leverage, so you borrow the money to trade and buy a lot of more and bigger positions. For example, you can buy the whole Ethereum with just $100, and then if the price of Ethereum jump, you can earn a lot of more money in this way and withdraw all your money. Futures trading is very volatile, and that is something that you need a lot of experience for, because you can lose money easily, and we talk more about that in our Crypto Masterclass course, and you can find all information on our website. Here's how Bybit platform look like, and if you decide to buy any cryptocurrency, you can do that in a way that you're gonna go on a trade, spot trading, and then you're gonna choose cryptocurrency that you like. You go where the Bitcoin is and just find, for example, I'm gonna find Near Protocol, one of the crypto that I like, and I deposited like, I don't know, like $100 something, and I'm gonna buy maximum that I can with that money. I'm just going to go on a spot, make sure I'm on a market. I can talk more about this next time. I'm gonna choose to buy maximum with the money, and I'm just gonna go to click buy. Simple as that. Now we know that on our account we have Near Protocol. If you want to sell, again, you're gonna find your coin or token, just click the sell, how much you want to sell, and at the end click the sell button. Simple as that. When you go to your account, in the overview you can go to assets and see exactly what coin and how much it's worth in the given moment. If you want to go to trade and start trading futures, you could see that it's the same platform, simple platform. Here you can use the bigger leverage and you can make a lot of money risking just $5 per trade if you start with $100, if you know what you're doing. We are going to talk about this in the videos to come, so make sure you're with us to learn more in the future. Before you start trading with a real account, we suggest you to start trading with a demo account and practice. You can find the demo account option on the home page. Once you click, you're gonna see that the platform is exactly the same with no difference. You can practice here everything. You can practice your strategy. You can try different options, market limit orders, and in this way, you're not gonna risk any single dollar. So if you want up to $30,000 in bonuses, VIP customer support, a professional platform built for traders, MasterCard and Visa card for payments and savings, fast withdrawals with no delays, then it's time to try Bybit until the bonuses are available. All you need to do is to register through the code in the description to unlock all these benefits, invest in any coin for the long term, and practice trading on demo account until you become profitable. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. For more trading videos and our free crypto trading course, subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe to this channel,
I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will